Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to share notes and collaborate, work together using notes application if you are using iPhone. So we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Let's start as a mobile. Now let's start as a demonstration how to share this particular documents. I just simply open here note application. Inside the note application, demo video folder is I already created, and I want share one of the note file here. Look at this here, top 10 university. I just simply click here into top 10 university, and top of the screen here share options are available. Inside the share options are available, you just simply share this notes via message, WhatsApp, which option you want, easiest way to share this document. So suppose for example I use this one and I share one of my family member here, send, and after that she is accepted this request. So this particular documents are come here under the folder. Look at this here, home expenses. So this folder I share with my partner. She is accepted this request, so those some of the documents are shared together and we can access very easily. Look at this here, top of the screen, manage the share folder. So look at this, two person accessing this particular folder or notes. So you can share such kind of notes with your friends, family member, or wherever you want share and access together very easily. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.